Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we will see how to reset Ubuntu user password. In this tutorial, I am using VMware Workstation and Ubuntu 24.04 is installed as a guest operating system. I'm going to tell you the way the same method will work for your actual Ubuntu install on your desktop or laptop. Let's begin. Go to the right hand side, click on this power button. Here I'm going to tell you the first step, which is we have to boot in the grub mode so we can see the grub menu, right? Come to here, click on this restart button. Now finally click on the restart. Once your system is going to restart, please press Shift and Escape key. Then you will enter inside this grub menu. Once you see the grub menu, you have to choose the first option, advanced option for Ubuntu. Press enter. And then you have to choose the second option where recovery mode is mentioned. Press enter. If you see more than one recovery mode options, choose the topmost. Soon you will see this kind of details here, and then you will see this screen. Here you have different menu items. Come to the root, select and press enter. Then you will see this command prompt. Press enter. Soon you will see your cursor is blinking here, and just in front of that you have the detail like root username, correct? So you have to remember what is your root username, right? At this place we will type some commands. With the help of those commands we will be able to reset the password. Let's type the command mount space -n space -o space remount comma space rw space /. Press enter, and then you have to type the second command pass wd space the username for which you are going to reset the password. In my case, my user is Sam, so I have entered the username here. Press enter. And then this will ask you to set up new password. Please give new password here. So I am putting some new password and then press enter. Okay, again this will ask you to re-type the password. Please enter the password again. And then finally you will get a message, password updated successfully. Okay, finally we have successfully updated the password. So friends, we have to reboot the system. Now type the command reboot, press enter. Now your system will take a reboot and it is going to start, and this will show you that login screen. This is the loading process. Soon we will see the login screen. Okay, here we are. Now this is the user. Click on this. This will ask you to enter the password. Let's enter the new password. Press enter. Bingo! We have successfully logged in with the help of new password in this Ubuntu. Now this is all yours. You can proceed your work. So friends, this is the way you can reset the Ubuntu user password. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button to appreciate, and you can subscribe to learn more. Thanks for your time and attention. See you in the next one.